Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are downloading an app on your Meta Quest but the download suddenly stops after you take off the headset or when the display turns off, don't worry. This is a common issue and in this video I'll show you a simple setting that may help fix it. So let's jump right into it. First, open settings on your Meta Quest. Now tap on General. Scroll all the way down and select Power. Here you will find the display off option. By default, many people have this set to just 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes. If that's the case, your headset may go to sleep while an app is still downloading. In some situation, that can pause or stop the downloading. To avoid that, simply change the display off time to 15 minutes. If you are downloading a larger app and it needs more time, you can even set it to 1 hour until the download is complete. After that, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network because an unstable internet connection can also interrupt app downloads. If the battery is running low, it's a good idea to connect your Meta Quest to the charger while the app is downloading. If you have tried everything and the problem still isn't fixed, just restart your Meta Quest and try downloading the app again. A quick restart often fixes temporary software issues. So open Settings, General, scroll all the way down and tap Power and restart your headset. That's all there is to it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you solve the problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.